happy to be here today in Mangaluru because in one building there are so many sports equipments are there, and MS Sports is something, MS Apparels is something that all over South people are using. Air India team also using, then Karnataka state team is using. The quality wise you can compare with any brands like Adidas or Nike, or because the quality of this MS Sports, MS brand, I feel it is really good. I urge all the Indian athletes to try their apparels, because when you are in the field you have to be well equipped, and that confidence when you start playing for your state or country or district, it gives a lot of confidence. So today I am really very happy to be in Mangalore and opening MS Sports and other Olympic Sports store. So congratulations to all the directors, CEOs, chairmen and all the staff. They are the one who is going to sell the apparels and sports gear. So thank you so much for inviting me in Mangaluru. Thank you. I will represent our country one day, representing in hockey or football or cricket, whatever coaching they required. Mangalore is having a lot of potential for a sports person. Once upon a day, 30 years, 40 years back, there were a lot of players from Mangalore who used to play for our country. So I request all the athletes come forward and play any sports. It is not necessary you play hockey only. Any sports, you give your 1 hour, 1.5 hour in the sports field, you will be fit enough to do all the work. Thank you.
It's been a wonderful store. We have completed half of it now. I think there's one more floor on top with the trophies, and really nice. All the products and materials are really good, and hopefully most of the Mangaloreans will come here and do a lot of shopping, and fantastic store.
Very happy and a special day for us today. Actually, we have two stories behind this opening. The first one is in 2012, when we started this business, there was a problem of customized jerseys and the trophies as well. So we were facing a lot of problems in the sales aspect. So in around 2015-16, when I was facing a lot of issue, even Nizam also with me. So in that time, we decided that we need to open a factory as well along with the sports accessories. So that day itself, we started our journey. And I have one more partner also for MS. He's none other than Mr. Hassan Musharraf is here. I don't know, he's somewhere else. So we are really happy because every Mangaloreans are liking our product. It is not only in Mangalore, Karnataka also, even in India, even in abroad also, we have 2 branches in Dubai. So I don't know, people's love, we are getting a people's love from all over the country. So thank you very much, one and all.
Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions, Mangaluru. Empowering dreams and achieving greatness since 1985. Dr. M.V. Shetty College prides itself in its history of 38 years. It undertook path-breaking initiatives in Indian higher education with the introduction of innovative and modern curricula, insistence on academic discipline, imparting of holistic education, and adoption of global higher education practices with the support of creative and dedicated staff. First private college in Karnataka offering diverse healthcare programs, offers you multiple of courses. Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions is a nurturing ground for an individual's holistic development to make effective contribution to the society in a dynamic environment. Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions, Kavu Road, Vidyanagar, Mangaluru, Karnataka 575013. Contact 0824 248 1048, 0824 248 1096. Website www.mvshettycolleges.edu.in.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ